What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Jess Nichole here. In today's video, we will be reviewing a vibration plate. This is a new device that I was sent. The brand is called Joroto, and you can order it directly on Amazon. I will, of course, link all of the information below. But before we get started, make sure you follow me on Instagram at the Jess Nichole and my fitness page at Jess Right Fitness. If you are interested in online coaching, be sure to check the link down below in my description box to sign up for my online coaching program. And with all that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so straight out of the box, this is everything that comes with the vibration plate. You can see it comes with these resistance bands. These 5 resistance bands go from extra light, medium, heavy to extra heavy. It even has this little black bag for the resistance band. It comes with these resistance cables that I have put to the vibration plate too, which I will show you them later. It also comes with a remote control, so you can put this on your wrist and control the vibration plate while you're on it. It does come with a power adapter, which is already plugged in. Unfortunately, the power adapter is only about 5 to 6 feet. I don't even think it's 5 feet. I think it's about 5 feet. I don't think it's 6 feet. So it is relatively short, which is kind of unfortunate, but we're gonna go ahead and get it powered on. Actually, skip that. After talking about how short the adapter is, and the vibration plate comes with this yoga mat, which is seated on itself. I thought that was pretty cool that it comes with all these extra tools and equipment and things other than just the vibration plate. And it does have a Bluetooth function, which is pretty cool as well. So we're gonna go ahead and get it powered on. Hit this switch down here. Connected. And you see it comes on. It beeps. When it says connected, that's because I have it connected for Bluetooth. And just a little close up. So these are the controls on the vibration plate. So once you hit that power on switch, you then have to also hit power on the actual vibration plate. It has a time toggle to increase time, speed toggle to increase or decrease speed, obviously the start and stop. There are modes and different functions, which is really cool. So the first one is a traditional swing mode, which I will demonstrate it when I actually get on. But if I hit start, you can see it sort of just swinging side to side. Go to the next function, which is the translation mode, and you can see that's just a side to side shuffle. This next one, I'm not sure if you can actually see it, but this is just a vibration. The next one is a swing and translation. So it swings you and it moves side to side. The next one is swing and vibration mode. Yeah, this is so it's swinging and vibrating. And then the last one, that's swing and vibration. On the remote control, there is the power button, speed, time, and then start, stop, the mode, and the different programs. And you can lock it so that you can't change it. So that's what's on the remote control. So now I'm actually going to use it. So I'm going to get on it and then just hit the power button like I showed you. And so this is the first mode, swing. This is the remote control that comes with it. Excuse my voice, it's gonna sound a little shaky because I'm on a vibration plate. But it says that the remote control works for up to 2.5 meters away. So I think if I use it from right here, it doesn't usually work. I have to kind of like point it. I don't know, because I was having this problem when I first used it. It wasn't really picking up. I don't know if you're supposed to turn it on first. Talking about the remote control. The remote control is not working right now. Oh, there it goes. So maybe it's because it's not, it has to be like right here, it seems like. When it's on my wrist, it doesn't seem like it really works. So I just turned it off. I'm gonna turn it back on. Okay, it's on. Now we're gonna hit start. All right guys, the remote is a little bit janky. But yeah, so I didn't even get into the ranges. So the speed goes up to 120, I believe. Obviously it comes with a user manual, forgot to mention that. But this will be your best friend in figuring this thing out. The amount of time you can do, it's already preset to 10 minutes. That's like the suggested amount of time to use the vibration plate is a 10-minute session. It looks like it can go anywhere from 1 to 30 minutes at a time. The speed goes from level 1 to 120. The most I have done so far is a level 28. I might turn it up to 120 just to see what that feels like. And then right now I am just on the oscillation mode. Okay, so it looks like in the the instruction manual, it has a bunch of different names for it. Like one is swing, translation, or vibration, but I guess it's the same thing. So one, I'm in oscillation or swing mode right now. So I'm now gonna put it into linear or translation mode. Let's see. Yeah, so this remote is pretty janky, guys. We're just gonna hit it on here then. So switch the function. I don't know if the camera can pick up the difference, but now it's more so going side to side. My favorite one is to do all three of them together. So this is vibration. You probably can't really tell. This is the linear and the oscillation. This is the oscillation and vibration. The next function is vibration and the linear. And the last function is all three of them. So basically there's three different functions. You can do 1, 2, and 3, or you can do 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 2 and 3, or all three together. I think I said that right. Yeah, so that's all the functions. It does come with different programs, so it's preset to where it will switch it for you. And if you do, like, for example, program 1 is, it looks like 2 minutes vibrating, oscillation, linear. The next minute is vibration. The next minute is oscillating, and so on and so forth for a 10-minute program. So that's pretty cool. They already have preset programs. And yeah, so that's pretty much the functionality of it. I do want to try the 120 speed because I've never tried it. And I'm sure you guys can see me already shaking right now. This is at level 1. So let's see what it looks like at 120. You just hold the button down to get it there. Oh, it looks like it changes colors as it gets higher. Okay, I might shoot off this thing, guys. Doing this for video purposes. Okay, this is the 120 speed with all three modes. So that's fun. I did see that a part of it, well, actually, let me go into it. And it also does have a Bluetooth function, which is really cool. So let me connect it to my phone. Connected. I'm not sure if you can hear that, but it says connected when it's connected. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna play some copyright-free music so we can hear how it sounds. Okay, this isn't that bad. This is my first time doing 120 and I'm surprised. I thought it was gonna be like a lot. Level 1 already feels like a lot, but I like this. I like 120. It also does come with an app. I have to mention there's a Joroto app, which was really cool. It comes with different exercises that you can do, different workouts, different programs basically for how to utilize it. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, we're at a 120 speed. I've been on here for 5 minutes now. Let's see how loud it gets. So my volume is all the way up. Oh. I don't know how that's copyright free, but that's copyright free music on YouTube. But anyways, yeah, it's really cool that it comes with a Bluetooth function. I'm actually turning it down now because it's got me shaking. So I'm gonna go from 120 and it changes colors. So it starts green, then it goes blue, then it goes red for the harder zone. So let's get back into the green mode so I can talk. That was 120. I now have lowered it down to 13, a little easier on me. But yeah, I think this is really cool how it comes with different workouts. So it comes with a resistance band, so obviously you can sit in a squat while you're on it with the resistance bands. You can use the cables, maybe do some, well, I would stand up and do some bicep curls here. You could squat, do some shoulder presses, maybe some chest presses. The remote just fell out of the thing. A little janky on the remote, guys. Do some shoulder lifts, you know, different exercises you could do. On the app, it shows different exercises. So it shows like you can do some split squats off of it. There's a lot that show that you can do things like an arm toning workout. So that would be essentially something like this. I can't step straight back, but something like this. You can do, yeah, different squats on it. Squats are a good idea to do on it. You could even sit on it if you wanted to. I see some people do this. Some people sit just like this. Well, they'll sit on a couch and have their feet on it, or I think that's really it, because you wouldn't, which they would sit above and sit on the couch with having their feet on it. So a lot of different ways that this can be used. Overall, I really like this vibration plate. I love all the things that it comes with. I think it's really cool. It really sets you up for like an at-home workout vibe. I think my only critique of this vibration plate is that the remote doesn't really work that well, because even right now I'm trying to hit a button, it's not really working. I don't know if it has to be like, even when I pointed at it, it doesn't really work. So it would have been cool if it did, because then I wouldn't have to bend over every time to get to it, but it is what it is. Overall, I would recommend it. It's very cool, because most vibration plates don't even come with a remote. So all of it's really cool that it comes with all this stuff. You know, you get the plate itself, you get a mat to place under it, it. It has a Bluetooth function. It has, what's that? Those resistance bands, and it has the 5 resistance bands. So that's all pretty cool. Aside from that and the Bluetooth function, it comes with the app, which is cool. So if you're like wondering how to use it, or you want to log your time on it, you can use the app to do that. So accountability, which we love. So yeah, go ahead and shut this bad boy off. Overall, I would totally recommend it. I'm definitely a fan. I've wanted a vibration plate for so long. I love it for lymphatic drainage. I usually will do it first thing in the morning when I wake up. Before I eat anything, I'll do 10 minutes on a lower intensity level setting just to kind of wake up the lymphatic system. But I mean, vibration plates are great for lymphatic drainage, blood circulation, and just a slew of other things. It's not a lose weight quick scheme like people may try to make it out to be, but if used correctly, it definitely can supplement your workouts and help you to just move lymphatic drainage along, move blood flow along. It's good for recovery. I would definitely recommend everyone get a vibration plate, and this is a really great brand to use. So again, I will put all the information down below for where you can purchase. It is on Amazon, so I'll put that link down below. And with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Be sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to drop a comment. Let me know your favorite part of the video, and of course don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.